Making money while you sleep might sound too good to be true, but passive income makes it possible. For beginners, it can be a game changer, creating opportunities to earn without constantly trading time for money. From simple investments to creative online opportunities, there are ways anyone can start building passive income. In this video, we're exploring the best passive income ideas for beginners, practical strategies that can help you grow your wealth and gain financial freedom over time. Today we will talk about best passive income ideas for beginners. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. 10. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly. By investing in dividend-paying companies, you create a stream of income that doesn't require selling your shares. Even beginners can start with just a few $100s. For example, if you invest $5,000 in a stock that pays a 5% annual dividend, you could earn $250 per year without touching the stock itself. The key is to choose stable, established companies and reinvest dividends to accelerate growth. Dividend stocks are a reliable way to create consistent passive income over time. 9. High-yield savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts offer higher interest than traditional savings accounts. While they won't make you rich overnight, they allow your money to grow safely with minimal risk. Even a small amount saved consistently can earn hundreds of dollars annually. Look for accounts with competitive interest rates and no monthly fees. For beginners, this is an excellent way to start generating passive income while keeping your funds safe and accessible. 8. Rental properties. Owning rental properties is one of the most well-known passive income strategies. Rent provides consistent monthly income, while the property itself often appreciates over time. You don't need to buy a large apartment complex. Starting with a small residential property is enough to generate steady income. Property management services can handle tenants and maintenance, making it nearly hands-off once set up. Rental income combines immediate cash flow with long-term wealth building, making it a favorite for many investors. 7. Real estate investment trusts. REIT. If managing a property feels intimidating, REIT offer a way to invest in real estate without owning physical properties. REIT are companies that own or finance income-producing real estate, and they pay dividends to shareholders. You can start with small investments, similar to buying stocks, and earn a share of the rental or commercial property income. REIT make real estate investing more accessible for beginners and provide a reliable stream of passive income. 6. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. You become the bank, earning passive income as borrowers repay loans. Many platforms let you start with small amounts and diversify your loans to reduce risk. While it carries some risk compared to savings accounts, it offers higher returns and can become a significant income stream over time. 5. Create a blog or YouTube channel. Building a blog or YouTube channel can generate passive income through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. While creating content takes effort up front, over time it can produce ongoing revenue. For example, a blog that ranks well on Google can continue generating ad revenue for years without daily work. Similarly, YouTube videos can earn money long after they are published. Focus on topics you're passionate about and provide value, and your content can become a long-term source of passive income. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services online. You place links on a blog, social media, or videos, and earn money when someone makes a purchase through your referral. Once your content is created, it can continue generating income with minimal effort. Choosing products you trust and targeting a specific audience increases the chances of consistent earnings. Affiliate marketing is highly scalable and ideal for beginners willing to build an online presence. 3. Sell digital products. Digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, or design templates, are perfect for passive income. Once you create the product, it can be sold repeatedly without additional work. For example, an online course teaching a skill you know can generate income for months or years with minimal updates. Promoting your products through social media or email marketing expands reach and revenue. Digital products allow you to monetize your expertise efficiently and scale your income. 2. Invest in index funds. Index funds are investment funds that track a market index, like the S&P 500. They provide exposure to a wide range of stocks, reducing risk while offering steady growth. Over time, index funds generate returns through both capital appreciation and dividends. For beginners, index funds are a low-maintenance way to invest. You can set up automatic contributions each month, allowing your money to grow passively. This approach combines long-term wealth building with a hands-off investment strategy. 1. License your ideas or intellectual property. The most overlooked passive income strategy is licensing your ideas, music, software, or inventions. Once you create something unique, you can license it to others and earn royalties. For example, software developers can license apps, musicians can earn royalties from songs, and inventors can license products to companies for manufacturing. This type of income can continue indefinitely, requiring minimal daily effort once agreements are in place. Licensing intellectual property leverages creativity to create long-term financial freedom. Combining passive income streams, the most successful people don't rely on just one passive income stream. They combine several to create financial stability. For instance, they might earn dividends from stocks, rent from properties, royalties from digital products, and interest from peer-to-peer lending. Multiple streams reduce risk and accelerate wealth building, providing security even if one source slows down. Tips for beginners: start small and focus on consistency. Pick 1 or 2 streams and learn how they work before expanding. Automate income where possible and reinvest profits to grow each stream over time. Educate yourself regularly, track results, and adjust strategies to maximize returns. Patience is essential. Most passive income streams take time to build, but continue generating revenue for years. Common mistakes to avoid expecting immediate results. Passive income takes upfront effort or investment. Don't overextend yourself with too many streams at once. Understand the risks involved and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Consistency and careful planning are key to turning your passive income ideas into a reliable source of long-term wealth. Start building your passive income today. The best time to start is now. Even small investments or efforts can snowball into significant income over time. Whether you invest in dividend stocks, create digital products, or license intellectual property, each stream contributes to financial freedom. Focus on consistent effort, diversify your streams, and watch how your money starts working for you. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.